This Nigeria don't tire person. Eh? I tell my boy go buy fuel since 1 hour now. He never come back. Now wow. Fuel 1,450 for where? God. How we can survive for this country?
Okay.
Where you go now? Since morning where you go buy fuel?
Oh sorry, oh people plenty for queue. Well, I don't buy.
You don't buy?
Na the 10k fuel.
How much you buy?
10k.
Now can I have like this?
What's that now?
10k fuel. Jesus.
You don't know why it's going on.
10k fuel no reach 1 liter.
He shock you.
To stress me, give me this big rubber.
I forgive you small calabi.
I swear. God, I'm
No like that. No like that now. Guys, use your hand, measure them. Fuel cost. You dey pump like this. You want me to finish? Use your face, put your finger. Put that for the chain, it go start. You bend the chain well. Bend them like this. Make it start. Why you won't pour like that? Come on for you, not do like this.
okay, sorry.
Use your hand. Put them.
Sorry.
Put them with your hand. On the chain, it go start. On them like that.
God.
You are a failure. You are a failure. You can never make it.
You be mumu. You think say they wise. You are a mumu man.
What
Plane is this? This is playing.
On the gen now, it go start. On them with faith, it go start. Add faith. Add faith.
God, we pray.
Pray over the gen, it go start.
Okay.
The fuel don't cost. You go need amen.
Jesus.
Once I dey drum, you know what start.
No one start. It go start to the drum.
Blood of Jesus. Waiting
Go fuel again. No.
Jesus.
Blow breeze.
Jesus.
Blow better breeze. It go start.
Blood of
Yeah,
Jesus.
No, try am.
Okay.
No try am. It go start. The drum. With faith. They pray.
You think say they
The
wise.
kabash. It go start.
Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus.